Welcome back to the Weather Show with meteorologist Vin Crosby. You can reach me at theweathershow1@gmail.com. It's time to check out our forecast map section, and over the next couple of days, we're not going to see a whole lot going on. An area low pressure is slowly just meandering out in the Pacific Ocean. That blue arrow shows a push of colder air that's going to be moving on into the northwest, but in the meantime, for several days, that orange arrow shows the southwest flow of the mild air coming on through. In the meantime, we'll have clouds spilling over the region. The blue shades of clouds just indicate the higher cloud cover in the atmosphere. The whiter and gray shades are the lower clouds in the atmosphere. A lot of gray clouds back out there by that L, and that's an area low pressure, and all that speckled cloud cover you see is an indication of colder air. A little piece of energy is going to make it on into the northwest here for Saturday, mainly in the afternoon and the evening hours. My thoughts are this is going to pass to the north, and we're not going to see any major precipitation from it. Maybe a few sprinkles, few passing showers in the Treasure Valley, but up in the mountains, we'll see mostly rain showers. The big problems are going to start happening next week. Monday afternoon, we'll start to see the leading edge of that system move on through. It'll start to turn cooler around Seattle and Portland, and Boise will see a little bit more rain shower activity and snow, yes, up in the mountains. And if you like snow, wait till you see what's going to transpire. A lot of moisture moves in for Wednesday. We could even have thunderstorms as the very warm air moves towards the east and the colder air moves in, and we could have some strong, maybe even some close to severe thunderstorms with high gusty winds Tuesday night going into Wednesday, so watch out for that. All right, look at this picture. Now, we're going to see, you can see Idaho down there to the south, right on the threshold of the yellow temperature range, and the blues, the colder air, and the yellows and the reds and the oranges, that's the warm air. But look up to the north, up around the North Pole. That purple stuff, that is the very cold air. That's the Arctic air that'll be moving on through the region. And notice the cold air coming in off the Pacific for Tuesday. And then this surge of cold air moves on in closer to the Gem State on Wednesday. But notice up there in Canada, a lot of pinks and purples moving on in. And I think that is going to continue to move in our direction and give us a chance of some wintry-like precipitation going in after next Wednesday. And with that purple air expanding back to the west around Alaska, we could be looking at some tremendously colder air in the region. All right, temperatures tomorrow through Monday, pretty much what you have seen over the past couple of days. Tuesday, we're looking at temperatures in the 50s as the first wave of moisture moves on through. And then the cold stuff gets here on Wednesday. We're going to see temperatures in the 40s to low 50s with a lot of wind. All right, you're watching The Weather Show with meteorologist Vin Crosby. Let me know how we're doing. theweathershow1@gmail.com. Also, we can come do live weather from anywhere in the Treasure Valley. You have a restaurant, you got a business, hey, I can come there and do live weather, and we'll get you on The Weather Show.